Hi, good evening to one and all. I am Vinoda, lecturer in chemistry at MALD GDC. So today I am discussing about nomenclature of the coordination compounds. So the IUPAC rules, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry published a nomenclature of inorganic chemistry. The basic rules for the systematic naming of coordination compounds are as follows. First one is the positive ion is named first, followed by the negative ion. The second one is while writing the name of the complex or coordination sphere, all the ligands are named in the alphabetical order irrespective of their charge, followed by the central metal ion without a space. While writing the formula of complexes, the complex ion, that is a coordination sphere, should be enclosed in square brackets. Inside the square bracket, metal ion is written as first, then the coordinated groups, that is the ligands, in the order negative ligands, neutral ligands, positive ligands, and alphabetically according to the first symbol within each group. While naming the ligands, first the names of the negative ligands ends in O. For example, F minus is called as the fluorido and Cl minus chlorido. Next, Br minus bromido. Next, I minus iodido. H minus hydrido. Cn minus cyanido. OH minus hydroxo. O2 minus oxo. O2 minus 2 peroxo. Hs minus mercapto. S minus 2 thio. NO2 minus is nitro. Neutral ligands have no special endings. Few exceptions are ammonia. It is called as amine. And H2O, water is aqua. And CO, it is carbonyl. And NO is nitrosyl. The ligands N2 and O2 are called dinitrogen, dioxygen respectively. Organic ligands are usually given their common names. For example, phenyl, methyl, ethylene diamine, pyridine, triphenyl phosphine. Next, the positive groups end in IUM. For example, NH2, NH3 plus, that is hydrazinium, and NO plus, nitrosonium, and NO2 plus, nitronium. When there are several number of same ligand, the prefix di, tri, tetra, penta, and hexa is used to show the number of ligands that type. When the name of the ligand includes a number like dipyridyl or ethylene diamine, the prefix is bis, tris, and tetrakis are used instead of di, tri, and tetra to avoid confusion, and the name of the ligand is placed in the brackets. The next rule is the central ion in the positive complex ions and neutral complexes has no special ending, but in negative complex ion the name of the central ion end in 8 ate. For example, EgCN taken twice minus. In this complex, silver is called as a argentate because the minus charge is present on the coordination sphere. The next rule is the oxidation state of the central ion is shown by a Roman numerical brackets immediately following its name without a space between the two. For example, titanium 3, copper 3 is shown like this. For zero oxidation state, the letter 0 is written in brackets, and for a negative oxidation number, the minus sign is used before the Roman numerical. For example, FeCO taken 5 times. In this, ferrous oxidation state is 0. So this is written like this: iron 0 in bracket. And the next example, Na in coordination sphere, cobalt tetracarbonyl. In this metal, cobaltate minus 1. Alternatively, the charge over the ionic coordination sphere is written in the Arabic numbers followed by sign while writing the formula. If the complex contains 2 or more metal atoms, it is termed as a polynuclear. The bridging ligands which link the two metal atoms together are indicated by the prefix mu. If there are 2 or more bridging groups of the same kind, this is indicated by di, tis, mu and tri, mu. The bridging groups are listed alphabetically with other groups. If the bridging group bridges more than 2 metal atoms, it is shown as mu3, mu4, mu5 or mu6. To indicate the number of atoms it is bonded to. Some of the monodentate ligands may have more than one donor atom through which it can coordinate to central metal ion. For example, MnO2 is called as nitro and MONO is called as nitrito. Similarly, HCN group may be bonded through sulfur or nitrogen atoms. For example, MSCN thiocyanate or MNCS isothiocyanate. It may also be named as thiocyanate S or thiocyanate N. To indicate the donor atom which is bonded to the metal ion. Such ligands which may be bonded through the different atoms are called as amphidentate ligands. The last rule is for the complicated molecules, abbreviations are generally used. For example, for ethylene diamine is referred as or it is indicated as En, and pyridine is Py. Acetyl acetanato is ACAC is used. The nomenclature of some coordination compounds. Ag NH3 taken twice and chlorine. So the name of this complex is diamine silver 1 chloride. Here the silver contains +1 oxidation state. The next complex is cobalt NH3 taken 6 times and out of the coordination sphere Cl3. The name of this complex is here. First we have to take the cation coordination pair. The next is an anionic pair. Hence the name of this complex is hexamine cobalt 3 chloride. Here the cobalt is in +3 oxidation state. Some of the compounds listed below for nomenclature. So here in this the rules are very important to naming of the coordination compounds. Let us take the example of lithium AlH4. So the name of this complex is, in this two spheres are the cationic sphere and anionic sphere. In the cationic sphere only lithium is present. In anionic sphere the coordination sphere is present. So first we have to take the cationic sphere. Hence the name of this compound is lithium. The next is given the space between the cationic sphere and anionic sphere. So lithium space tetrahydrido aluminate 3. So here aluminate 8 is taken because the aluminum is present in the anionic sphere. That's why the name of this complex is lithium space tetrahydrido aluminate 3. These are the examples. Some of the, let us one next example is FeC5H5 taken twice. So this complex name is bis cyclopentadienyl iron 2. So here there is no coordination sphere. So only the ligand is cyclopentadienyl and the metal atom is ferrous. So ferrous is in +2 oxidation state. Hence the name of this complex is simply, so this cyclopentadienyl, it is a chelating agent. Hence before it is indicated in, that does not indicate with di. It is because of the chelation. Here the two cyclopentadienyls are present. Hence before the ligand bis is present. Bis cyclopentadienyl iron 2 complex. Next is a chromium C6H6 taken twice. So the out of the name of this complex is bis benzene chromium 0. Here the chromium is in 0 oxidation state. So benzene is also a chelating ligand. Hence the name of this complex is bis benzene chromium 0. So this is a nomenclature and some of the examples of the coordination compounds. For naming of these coordination compounds, the IUPAC rules are very important for naming of these coordination compounds.